Just
Okay,
now.
sir.
I'll be posting that online now. It is pending. It is still getting rolled. Now we will go for this one. Right now, what we are going to see is quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. As I told you, what we are doing is only very little. I am telling you whatever is on my part, but major portion has to be prepared by you seriously. Directions 41 to 45. The line graph shows the total number of students in four different sections A, B, C, and D of 10th class. It also shows the percentage, not the number, percentage of the number of students went on a trip out of the total students in each section. Total students in each section. So that is I think telling the number percentage of students going on trip. The other one is number of students. For example, A has 50 students, B has 40 students, C has 60 students. Then this D has how many? 60 divided into 4, na? It must be 55. Correct, something like that. Note, the total number of students is equal to students who went on a trip plus who did not go for on a trip. That's okay. That means in this A section, 50 students are there. Only 40 have gone. 40 have gone, 10 have not visited. That's how I understand. Now we will go for question number 41.
Sir,
B,
one doubt, sir.
yeah,
In
yeah,
B, only 40 students were there, but 60 students went for trip, sir. How is that, sir?
that is percentage.
Oh,
There we have to go by percentage, correct? I told you wrongly. Here, the 40 percentage of this 50 people, that means 20 people have gone, 30 people did not go. That's how I am understanding it. Let us see how it goes. If we work out one problem, we will know what it is.
okay, sir.
Find the
Okay.
ratio of the number of students went on a trip from B and D together to the number of students who did not go on a trip from A and D together. We have to do some
Sir,
calculation. Yeah.
can you like scroll upwards the figure? Yes, yes.
Supposing I make it
Okay,
small,
sir.
will it come like this? Yeah. No, no. First of all, we have to understand. In fact, the same doubt I had. The doubt Vishwanathan said, here the number of students is given as 40. Then how can 60 go? That shows probably 60%. Now let us try to work out. Find the ratio of number of students who went on a trip from B and D. So now tell me, in group in section B, how many students are there? 40 students are there. How many went on a trip? 60%. 60% of 40 is 24. Then D. D is total number of students. How many? 55. out of which 80% went. So 80% of 50. 80% of 50. If you work out, you will get 44. 50 into 80 by 100, you will get 44. So from B, 24 students are going. From B, 44 students are going. Okay. That is 68 students are going. Now, next question is number of students who did not go from A and D together. How ruthlessly they are giving one figure B, another figure A, in another figure D, here also D. So we have to be very careful while arriving at it. So the number of students who did not go on a trip from A and D together. In section A, 40% of students went on a trip. So 60% did not go. 60% comes to 30. That is 50 into 60 by 100 is equal to 30. Then in section D, see how many went on a trip? 44 went on a trip. So 11 did not go. So that means the answer is 11. So 30 plus 11 is equal to 41. So the answer for question number 41 is B for Bombay. Now I can clarify your doubt, Viswanathan. Viswanathan,
Yes,
the
sir.
number of total students are given under blue line,
Yes, sir.
but under the brown line, what is given is percentage of students and not
Okay, okay.
that is how. So that is how I worked out. The answer is 68 is to 40.
41.
I think Vaishnav can understand. Vishwanathan, are
Yes,
you?
sir. Yes, sir. I also understood, sir. 68 is to
Uh,
41.
yes, Saha, could you follow this?
Yes, sir. I'm just following all the things which you have told.
Acha,
60%
can you
of 40
uh,
and
hmm,
60% of 40 people. Answer will be 24 and 80% of 55 or 50 student.
hmm,
Answer will be 44 and when we will add the answer will come 68. Those who go
hmm,
for the trip and the other
hmm.
is for D is 50% of 50% of 60 sorry sir 60% of 50 student there the answer will come 30 and
Hmm.
then we will add 30 plus 11 then answer will come the B 68
Super, super.
is
I
to
am very
41.
happy. No, no. Actually, first this 24
मैं
plus
सर
44.
मैथ में थोड़ा वीक हूँ इसलिए मैं सुन रही थी और उसको लिख रही थी
The
कि उसका
second is 30 plus 11, 41.
यस सर
See, it is not at all a tough problem, but the wordings you have to understand and put it properly in your mind. First line says B, how many people are going? D, how many people are going? And second point says A, how many are not going? D, how many are not going? And that's all.
यस
And
सर
for doing data interpretation, I think I must have explained already. Still, let me try to tell you. I will take you to indiabix.com. Indiabix.com. Here, most important thing is data interpretation. Data interpretation. See, data interpretation problems will be based on table charts. Table charts means table charts you will get like this. table charts too. I don't know why they are giving so much of advertisement in this, and we are not able to see the content itself. Very bad. पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था, ये लोग अभी पूरा हो गया. See here, this type of questions will come. They will give you the tables based on which questions will be asked. Then another problem, another type of problem is bar charts. These are all bar charts. Example, bar chart will come like this. All of you know it. It is not that you don't know. Then next one is pie chart. Pie chart means like this. Pie chart means it is all given in terms of, say, like this. In pie chart, what is more important is, yeah, are you not seeing it? Acha, you are not seeing it. I am sorry. That is the problem. This is the pie chart. Pie
Yes, sir.
chart, first of all, what you should remember is what is the total number of degrees in a circle, Mr. Vishwanathan?
360 degrees.
Correct. Now, these things you must be having by heart. 45% of 360, how much? Or that at least you cannot tell me. Can you tell me 50%, 50 degrees of 360 is equal to how much percentage?
Oh,
50 degrees. 50
okay, okay.
degrees of 360. 50 by 360 or 5 by 36. 5 by
Yes, sir.
36. So like that, you must be able to ascertain the figures. I was just trying to drive you to the point.
Sir, 45% of 360 is 162.
No. ऐसा इतना नहीं होगा. होगा? हाँ. 45 degrees, Baba. Not
Okay, sir. Okay.
45%. 45
Okay,
by 360 into 100. Cipher चला जाएगा. 45 and 36 9 से डिवाइड करने से 5 by 4. 4 will go for 2 and this will go for 5. 10 will go for 5. So 5 into 5, 25 divided by 2, 12 and a half. 12 and a half degrees. No. Am I right? No, something mistake I'm doing. 45 degree means how much? 12.5%. 12.5%. If there are 800 students in this class, 45 degree will be represented as 12.5. That is 800 by 12.5 is equal to 100. Like that we have to ascertain. No, I just want to tell you here what is this telling is degrees. And supposing they give you an information, there are totally 4,500 students participating in various sports. What is the number of students participating in tennis? Tell me.
Sir, can you repeat question? It's not shown.
Total number of students 4,500. 45 degrees of students are participating in tennis. Find the number of students playing tennis. Oh. I am doing some mistake, Baba. 45 degrees. I should put 4,500 into 45 by 360, not 100. By 360.
13, sir.
How much are you getting?
113.
No.
112.
4,500 students are there.
Yes, sir. 40 into 45 divided by 360.
Podunga. Do it. How much are you getting?
112.5.
56 something will come. For 4,500 into 45 by 360, you just put how much are you getting? You will not get fraction like this. Fraction mein nahi aayega. But I have given for some practice purposes. 4,500 into 45 divided by 100 will give you how much?
Sir, divided by 360.
No,
sir.
sorry, 3. Yeah. Sorry, divided by 360. 4,500 into 45 divided by 360. How much are you getting? $562 something, na? How much are you getting? 4,500 into 45 divided by 360. Yeah, 562.5. In exams, you will not get like this because you can't divide the number of people. So it will be round numbers. I just gave this for example. I gave this only for Saha's sake. Saha, could you follow this example of pie chart? Could you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Then another type of examples is that in the line charts, that is what we are now doing. Line chart is what we are now doing. Line chart, say it goes like this. This is the line chart. Okay, we will stop this. We will go for this problem. Now we are coming to this. Yeah. So I have done problem number 1. Please do problem number 2. Problem number 2 says, please write down in your notebook.
Sir, screen.
Acha, screen is not coming correct. Are you seeing this? The ratio of boys to girls in the sections say A and D is 2:3 and 5:6 respectively. If 10 boys from section A and 25 girls from section D went on a trip, then find the number of boys from both the section who did not go on a trip. For doing this problem, candidates, you must have this figure readily with you. In the examination, you will not have this problem because on the left side, you will have the graph. On the right side, you will get the questions. So there will not be a problem like what you are now facing, that the graph is not visible for you. Aisa nahi hoga. So this is the graph. Are you seeing the graph now?
Yes, sir.
Vishwanathan, yeah,
Yes,
please
sir.
note down these figures for working out all the other problems. A, number of students 40. Then B, number of students 60. Then C, number of students, how much? 35. D, number of students, how much? Sorry. I told you wrongly. C, number of students is 60. Did I tell you correctly? B, number of student is, have I told you correctly, 40? This is what you have to find out. Finding that is a important thing. Then number of students in D is 55. Have you noted this, please? Vaishnav, can you tell me number of students in A?
The number of students in A 50. Number of
B?
students in B B 40.
Correct. C?
C 60.
D?
D 55.
Good. Now take down this point. Percentage of students who went on a trip, A class 50%. Then B class, B class 40%. C class 60%.
Sir, yellow line, sir, right?
Oh,
Went on
sorry.
trip.
Yeah, sorry. I am telling wrongly. Going on a trip means this is how we will do mistakes in the exam also. Now I am committing a mistake. You should not do like that. 40% of students A went on, 40% of students from class A went on trip. Similarly, 60% of class B students went on a trip. Then 35% of students of class C went on a trip. 80% of class D went on a trip. This alone you note down. Then you can do these problems. Problem number 2. Please do this problem. Vaishnav, I have not noted down. Please tell me number of students in A. How many?
Sir, number of students in A is 50. 50.
Fifth in section B.
B 40.
C.
C 60.
Then D.
D 55.
Correct. Those who went on a trip, number A class.
40.
Okay. Number B class.
60.
Number C class.
35.
Number D class.
D 80.
Yeah. Once we know this, we can do the problems. Please read the question 42 and try to work out. The ratio of boys and to girls in this section A and D is 2:3 and 5:6 respectively. A section, boys, girls. 2:3. Boys 20, girls 30. In section D, 5:6. Total number of students, 55. 5 by 11. 5 by 11 means 25 and 30. Okay. This is what we know we need for this problem. If 10 boys from section A and 25 girls from section D went on a trip, find the number of boys from both the sections who did not go on the trip. 10 boys from A went on a, if 10 boys from A went on a trip, they are asking find the number of boys from both the sections who did not go. How many did not go from A? 10 people did not go. Then how many did not go from, and 25 girls from section D went on a trip. So number of girls who did not go, 5. Okay. Then find the number of boys from both the section who did not go on a trip. What is the answer for this? Vaishnav?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, sir, in the question, I have some doubt.
What is the doubt?
Yeah.
They have not told about number of boys from
They are
section D.
yes,
Going-
they are not told about. They have mentioned about number of girls from section T.
I think it should be boys.
Boys only, I think.
No, boys means full number of boys ho jayega na.
Yes, sir.
So
Then it
I
will
think
be
that-
10.
Sir,
Then the answer
15
will be
students.
Yeah, it's only 10 aayega na, correct. If it is given 25 boys means the answer will be different. Otherwise, number of boys who did not go on a trip means 25 boys and 35 boys aayega. Here you will get 35 boys, but the answer they have given is, let us see what is the answer they are giving for this question. Question number 41. Question number 41. I think that wordings में कुछ problem है. This is 41. Question. 68 is to 41. That is what we got it. That answer is correct. Now, coming to 42, the answer they are giving is C. What is C? Is the answer 16. How, Baba? This is how they have worked out. Number of boys in section A 20, number of girls in section A 30, number of boys in D 25, correct? Number of girls 30. This is also correct. Number of boys who did not went on a trip from section A 10. Number of girls who did not went on a trip from section D. Acha. 30 minus 25, 5. Number of boys who did not went on a trip from D. From where this point come, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Number of boys who did
From
not
that
went on.
ratio, they have.
Pardon?
From that ratio, sir, 5 is to 6, that ratio.
No, that the ratio of boys and girls in section A and B is 2:3. That is only for the number of boys.
Oh,
If
okay.
10 boys from section A, 25 girls from section D went on a trip, then find the number of boys from both the section who did not go on a trip. If that be the case, the 10 people from section A and the full section of D 25, they have not gone on a trip. But here they are arriving, how they are arriving at that 6, 30 minus 25, 5. Number of boys who did not went on a trip, 11 minus 5, 6. What is 11 minus 5? It is wrong. Something wrong here. So forget about this. This question is wrong. Now we will go to question number 43. Find the average number of students did not go on the trip from all the sections. Find the average number of students. This is a good question. Number of students who did not go, students only, not boys or girls, who did not go, number of students who did not go from all the sections. So that means in section A, how many did not go for the trip? 30 did not go for the trip. In section B, how many did not go for the trip? 16. In section C, how many did not go for the trip?
Sir, in
60.
section B, 16 did not go, sir.
Correct. That's what, section B 16. Correct. Correct.
I heard it as 60, sir.
No, 16. Correct. 16.
Oh, okay.
Section C, how many did not go? In section D, it is easy. 44 went, so 11 did not go. In section C, how much was it?
39.
60 into 40, 60 into 65 by 100. How much are you getting? How many did go for the trip out of 60?
21.
Tell me. Huh?
21 did go for trip.
21 go for the trip. So 39 did not go for the trip. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So total 40 plus 46. Then 4 plus 5, 8. Total is 86. 86 is coming. Find the average number of students who did not go for the trip. 46 divided by 4 is equal to 21 or 22. Somewhere around 21.5. 21.5. Total how much?
96.
96. See, here also I am doing mistakes. 16 மிச்சம் 1 2 5 2 5 6. See, I am doing mistakes. I omitted that carry one and I did 86. So divided by 4. That was wrong. So 96 means the answer is 24. Could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Answer
Yes,
is
sir.
24. That is easy. Next question. A ratio of boys and girls who did not go on a trip from section A, B, and D is 3:2, 1:3, 5:6 respectively. If the total number of boys who did not go on a trip is 54, then find the number of girls who did not go on the trip from C. Bob, they are giving so too many things into count. Please find out. Ratio of boys and girls who did not go on a trip is 3:2, 1:3, 5:6 respectively. If the total number of boys who did not go on a trip is 54, they have not given about C. Then find the number of boys from C who did. It's a good question. But of course, it involves calculation. The ratio of boys and girls who did not go on a trip is 3:2. Number of boys in A, how many are there? 20. Out of this 20, 3 by 5 did not go. That means 12 people did not go from A. Then in the section G, how many boys and girls? What is the section of boys and girls in section B?
Sir,
How
1:3.
many? 1:3. 1:3 means 40. So 10 boys, 30 girls, correct? Is it correct?
Sir,
Number of boys and number of girls.
Sir, those who didn't go to trip, right? So 4 boys and
No.
12 girls.
No. I just want to know what is the number of boys in B? How to find it out? How to find the number of boys in B? Total number of students is in class B is how much? This blue one.
40.
Blue one is 40.
40.
40. And out of that, boys how many? Girls how many? Where is it given? Acha, every time they are giving separately. Ratio of boys and girls who did not go on a trip is A 3:2, 1:3, 5:6 respectively, section A, B, and D. If the total number of boys who did not go is 54, then find how many did not go from C. How to find out that unless you know how many are there in B. B section, how many boys? That point is not given. Huh? What is the answer they are given for this? This is question number 44. This is question number 44. Here, 50. Students went on a trip. That is correct. Then students who did not go on a trip. That is correct. Then number of boys who did not go on A, 2 by 5 into 30 is equal
Sir,
to
42, sir, answer.
Pardon?
42.
In section B, how many boys are there? How do you know that?
Sir, in section B, they have gave us total boys as 54, sir, who did not go for trip.
A, B, C, and D. Correct?
So, total, if we reduce that, if we find from that chart, total number of, 1 second, sir. In C, they have gave us 60 students. Out of that, 35% have went. From that, 21 students should have gone for a trip. Then 39 students they didn't went for the trip. Out of that, 27 must be boys, sir, because they have gave us 54 students didn't go for a trip
Correct.
in itself.
54 minus 18 minus 4 minus 5. That minus 4, how did they arrive at this? Number of boys who did not go on a trip from B.
Sir, that -4 is from section B, sir.
How was that arrived?
Sir, they have gave the ratio as 1:3, sir. Did not go for a trip. In B section, total, 1 second, sir. Total 40 students, sir.
Ama. How many boys, how many girls?
That's what, the ratio is 1:3 they have gave, sir. Out of that, 60 total students, 40, 16 students trip க்கு போல, sir. They have gave the ratio as 1:3. If we divide that, we will get 4 boys, 12 girls didn't go for the trip, sir.
Correct. No, that is right. 12 girls, how did you arrive at this?
Sir, they have gave the ratio as 1:3, no, sir. From that,
Acha, very good. There is no need for the number of boys and number of girls. So here the question says, out of the people who did not go, A section 3:2 is boys and girls. Oh. Out of 30, 3:2. Then in section B, out of 16, 1:3. Then section D, out of 11, 5:6. Oh, super. It's a good question. Really good question. So accordingly, we found out the total number of boys who did not go on a trip from C is 27. So number of girls who did not go is 12. That's how they have arrived. Oh, Baba, it involves quick calculation. I was asking for a number of boys and girls from each section, which is not required for doing question number 44. Super question. Please go ahead with 45. See, there are too many catch points they are involving in this. Here, number of section A, number of boys 20, number of girls 30. Then in section C, what is the number of boys? Vaishnav, what is the number of boys in section C? They are giving one information. Difference between the boys and girls in section A is 10 and in section C is 20. But last they are giving one point in bracket. Number of boys is always greater than number of girls in each section. So how to find out for C? let the number of girls be x, then x plus 20, that is 2x plus 20 is equal to 60, or x is equal to 20, or 2x is equal to x plus 20, that is 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So number of boys 40, number of girls 20. Are you getting it, Vaishnav or Vishwanathan? Purida?
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you explain once again, sir?
See, in the section A, number of difference between boys and girls is 10. We have already
Yes,
found
sir.
out 20 boys and 30 girls. No problem.
Yes,
But
sir.
in section C, the difference is 20 between boys and girls. In section C, total number of candidate students, how many? 60.
Yes, sir.
They say that number of girls and boys difference is 20. Not only that, one more extra information they have given in the last line. Number of boys is always more than number of girls. That means number of boys must be 20 more than number of girls.
Hmm.
So let the number of girls be x. So automatically number of boys will be x plus 20.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 60. So x will be 20 and boys will be 20 plus 20, 40.
Yes, sir.
From there, we have to proceed. If 30% of boys went on a trip from section A, that means 6 people went from A, and 40% of girls went from C. That is, girls, 8 people go, correct? Find the number of girls who did not go on trip from A and C together is what percentage of total students A. So now what is the question they are asking? Find the number of girls who did not go from A and C together. Number of girls from C, how many? 30. And 30% of boys only go on trip. That means 30 people did not go on trip. Girls did not go on a trip from A. And from section C, out of 28 have gone. So 12 people did not go. So totally 42 girls did not go. But they are asking, what is the percentage of this figure to total students in A? So 42 is what percentage of total students in A? Total students in A is how many? 50. Total students in section A is 50. So 42 is what percentage of 50 means? It must come as 84. But there is no such answer. What is the mistake we have done? Anybody else is getting any of the answers given here? Are you getting?
Sir,
Yeah.
in first point, in the difference between the boys and girls in section A is 10, sir. We have took that as a 20 boys, 30 girls, but we should take as 30 boys, 20 girls, like that we have to take, sir.
Oh, sorry.
No,
Correct.
I am asking, sir, whether we
You are
have to
right.
take like that.
You are correct. I put it wrongly. Similarly, D also I put it wrongly. Boys as 25, girls as 30. How did I arrive at that figure? How did I arrive at that figure? I think they gave some number of boys is they gave it now. Otherwise, why did I arrive at that? Ratio of boys and girls in section A and D is 2:3. Hello, in question number 42, they gave us like that 2:3. But from what you say, I think we should make that as 30:20. If we make that as 30:20, then a number of people going, then we will find out here what is the answer they have given. 45. 45, the answer is E. Answer is E, that is 42%. How they are arriving at, we will see here. Let the number of boys in A be X, number of girls be Y. X plus Y is equal to 50. X minus, acha. For this problem, separate calculation.
Yes,
Hello.
sure. They have.
So that
Yes,
is
sure,
the
yes, sir.
that is the mischief here. For this problem, separate calculation. X plus Y is equal to 50. X minus Y is equal to 10. So X is 30 and Y is 20. Now we can understand. Girls, so correct. Boys 30, girls 20. Correct. For section C, P plus Q is equal to 60. And here it is correct. 20, 40. So 40 is boys, 20 girls. That is also correct. Number of boys who did not go on a trip, 7 by 10 into 30 is equal to 21. Number of girls who did not go on a trip, 30 minus 21 is equal to 9. 30 minus 21, how did it come?
Sir, for the 30,
This
sir, we can
9.
find that 9, 30% did not go out of 30, that is 9, sir. We can
Acha.
find like that.
Very good, very good. That is correct. The number of girls who did not go on a trip, 40 by 20 is equal to 12. Okay. So required percentage is equal to 12 plus 9, 21 by total number of boys. How much it is given? 50. Correct. 50 into 142. Oh, Baba. So this question is really a challenging question because in 42 problem, they gave boys as 2:3, but here they changed. So they can have problems like this also. So we must be very careful. Saha, Vaishnav, Vishwanathan, see how
Yes, sir.
we are misled by the questions. I committed a mistake here. Good. Now we will go for some other type of problems. I request you to do this problem at home. I will attach this question paper today, not today, tomorrow. Then you can work it out. Now, all these are only data interpretation. Hare Baba, everything data interpretation. Okay, then we have to do something among this. Why not we take this problem? Or we will do the next one. Yeah, this one itself. Please go through this. Vaishnav, please read this. The pie chart given below.
The pie chart given below shows the percentage distribution of males in 4 different villages, and the table shows the number of females is how many less than that of males in each village. Read the pie chart and table carefully to answer the following questions.
What is this pie chart? 24% what? 38% what? Then
Sir,
20%.
they have given in color. They have given, sir, A, B down.
Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
Color where they have given color?
In
Sir,
that,
in that circle itself,
in
sir,
that,
in down they have mentioned that village's name, sir.
Acha, acha. Here they have given. Oh. Acha, here I am not able to see that color. So 18% is what? D, yeah?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir, D.
Correct? 38% is B,
Yes, sir.
20% is C, and 24% A. Correct. Now I understand that. Next point, what? Village A, B, C, D, females less than males. Okay. Then what we should do? Number of females less than males 130, 210, 250, 160. Now, what is the total? How to find the total number of population? What is the total population? Males. Acha, acha. The pie chart is showing only percentage of males only, Baba, not the population.
Yes, sir.
Boys. It is
Yes, sir.
only showing males. Males only. And the table shows the females is how many less than that of males in each village. Okay, fine. Then even, acha, one information they have given, the difference between the males in A and C is 80. That is 4% is equal to 80. Difference between the males 24% in A, 20% in C. The difference is 80. That is 4% is equal to 80. So 100% is equal to what? 100% is equal to multiply by 20, 80 into
2000.
25, 2000. That we will get. So total number of males is 2000. Total number of males is 2000. So now out of 2000, find 24% for A, then 38% for B, then 20% for C, then 18% for D. We should not confuse this chart with 360 degrees. In this pie chart, they have given only percentage of male. So find out 24% of 2000, how much?
480, sir.
Very good. Then 38% of 2000, how much?
760.
Okay. 20% of 2000, how much?
400, sir.
18% of 2000, how much?
360, sir.
Correct. That much we know. All this is males. Now, females less than males by how many? A 180 less. So they will be 300 in A. Then in section in village B, 210 less. Then it is 550. Correct. Number of female 550. In village C, 250 people or less. So 150 females. In village D, 160 or less. That is 200 people. In village D. So we can identify this. These numbers are known to me now. Total people in the village is equal to male plus females. In total village A, 780. Village D, how much? 1310. Are you getting? Please check up. Then village C, 550. Village D, 560. Total population 9, 14, 20, மிச்சம் 2, 12, 12, 15, 22, 3,200.
Sir,
Are you getting
3,250, sir.
3,250?
50.
1 minute. 9, 14. No. What is the total population of A?
Yeah, 480 plus 300.
780.
Yes, sir.
Then
760 plus 550.
1310. Am I right? Am I putting wrongly?
Yes, sir. 13,310.
Correct. Then C village.
Village 400 plus 200, sir.
400 plus 200.
Ah.
No. 400 plus 150. Because
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
150.
so 150, that is 550 is the total population of C.
Yes, sir. I went wrong.
Then population of D is 360 plus 200 females.
Yes, sir.
560. I am getting total number of population as 3,200. I don't know whether this data will be needed or not, but still I have arrived at 3,200. Correct? Total population is 780 plus 1310 plus 550 plus 560 is equal to 3200. Are you getting? Now we will go for the questions. Find the ratio of number of males in village A and C. Super question. It's not a tough question. It is easy. Number of A and C males to number of females in B and D. So number of males in A and C is 480 plus 400 is equal to 880. Number of females in B and D, 550 plus 200 is equal to 750. In other words, 880 is to 750 is equal to 88 is to 75. Good. This is easy question. Answer is A. Could you follow all of you, Vaishnav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is easy. Now please work out like this for other questions. Number of males in A is what percentage more or less than the males in C? Super question. Very easy question. So you must identify whether you are having such easy questions and mark them. Here, number of males in A is 480. Number of males in A is 400. So 80 is just 20% more. 47 is answer is D. 46 answer is A. Vaishnav, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Saha, are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
This, in my view, this is a easy problem.
Very complex types of question is that. Yes, sir.
No, this is easy, whereas the previous question was a tough question, slightly more involving
Yes, sir.
more calculation. Now this is easy, Baba. Next question. if the data of females is distributed in the form of degree in the pie chart, find the difference between the corresponding angle formed by the number of females in village D and C. Babre Bab. Here, they want us to form a pie chart in percentage for women. Total number of women is total number of women is 1200 because 300 plus 550 plus 150 plus 200 1200, and this 1200 you must distribute in the form of a pie chart. In the form of a pie chart, you should put. But there is no need for putting in a pie chart. We can straight away find out from this also. For example, find the difference between females in D and C. Females in D and C is difference is only 50. 50 of 1200 into 360 is equal to 15%. It's an easy question. Saha, you may not, if you don't follow, let me explain. I am able to follow this very easily. If the data of female is distributed in the form of pie chart, see pie chart में इसको डालने से total degrees कितना होगा 360 degrees होगा. तब the difference between girls in C and D, how many degrees it will come. For that, we don't have to put the pie chart. What we can simply find is what is the difference between girls in village D and C. I think we are getting the answer as how much? Number of village difference is only 50 girls are there. Difference total number of girls 1200, and difference between village C girl, village D girl is 50, and this difference will be how many degrees of the pie chart. That means difference in number of girls 50 divided by total number of girls 1200 into total pie chart 360 is equal to 15%. Could you find that? I think, let us see here in 48, what have they given? 48. Yes, same thing they have worked out. Same thing they have worked out here as 15%. समझ गया? Saga ji?
Yes, sir, समझ गए.
Very good. Sorry, to be frank, my understanding level is less than that of Saha. But this, I am not hesitating to accept because of lack of experience. But if I start doing more problems like this every day, automatically I will get. No problem. Now we go to question number 49. Saha ji, please read for us.
Question number 49. Ratio of people who walked in urban area to the rural area from village A is 8:5. Find the difference between the people who walked in rural area in A and the males in D. Option A 60, B 80, C 40, D 50, E 70.
The ratio of people who worked in urban area to rural area in village D is 8:3. What is the total population of village A? 780. Village A population is 780. Find the difference between the people who worked in rural area in A and the males in D. Males in D is 360. So here, what is the percentage? I mean, what is the proportion? 8 by 13. Total number of population. The ratio of people only told. People means both male and female. Total number of people worked in A is 8:5. Rural area 8 and urban area 8, rural area 5. So 8 by 13 is urban. 780 into 8 by 13, it will go for 60. Then 480 is 8 by 13. So 5 by 13 will be 300. That is 300. Next question, that is 480 people work in urban, 300 people work in rural in the village A. Find the difference between the people who worked in the rural area, that is 300 people. That is 300 people. Find the difference. And the males in D. Males in D is 360. It's also easy question. Difference is only 60. So answer is A. Answer is A. விஸ்வநாதன் உனக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா? விஸ்வநாதன்?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Vaishnav, could you follow this?
Yes, sir. Good.
This is an easy question. Saha, could you follow this?
Yes, sir.
So the success lies in your identifying the easy questions and answer them. जो क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत तकलीफ समझ रहे हैं उसको छोड़ दीजिए. And remember to take only easy questions. Not only that, and one more caution I would like to tell you, while marking answers, you may be marking answer for 40, but don't put it against 41. You must be very careful. Do you follow what I am telling, the mistake?
Yes, sir.
So be careful. I have done such mistakes. That is why I am telling you. Now, find the average number of people in all the villages. What is the answer?
800.
3,200 divided by 4, 800. This is the easiest data interpretation.
Yes, sir. 800.
This is the data interpretation. Vishwanathan, you may be getting similar questions, not tough
Yes, sir.
ones. In clerical, you will get like this only.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So I am happy we could understand this properly. Saha, could you follow this problem?
Yes, sir, I followed.
Why are you telling with so sorrow? Oh,
Actually, sir, मैं सारी सुन रही हूँ, sir.
सुन रहे हैं, अच्छा. I want you to
हाँ,
explain only question number 50 to us. How will you do that?
sir,
Have you
average.
have you written down notes?
Sir, last जो है ना 8:5 8 by 13 into 780 जो आया है उसका मैंने करा है, वो किया है मैंने.
Total number of people कितना है? All the 4 villages में.
500, sir.
No. Total number of people in all the villages. Population, total population. 3,200.
Okay, sir.
What average means what? Average population
मीन्स
of all
उसका
the
उनका जो सम निकलेगा वही, मतलब मीन्स जो होता है वो।
3,200 उसको क्या करना है? हेलो,
उनका एवरेज निकल मतलब उसका करना होगा।
मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिवाइड करना है। किससे
डिवाइड करना
मल्टीप्लाई
है सर।
करना? डिवाइड किससे करना है? किस नंबर से करना है? नंबर ऑफ विलेजेस 4।
यस यस।
ये पॉइंट आपने ठीक से बोलना है हमको। ओके,
हम्म।
वेरी गुड, नाइस, वेरी हैप्पी। नाउ, Vaishnav, are you interested in doing one more problem?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Then do it. No problem. I am, for me, luckily, no work now. So I can be with you. Please work, read. Vaishnav, please guide us properly for this question number 51 to 55. Please read.
The table shows the total number of students who enrolled, percentage of students rejected, and ratio of students who appeared to non-appeared students from 5 different states: J&K, MP, UP, HP, and UK for XYZ entrance exam.
What is UK?
States:
What is
Uttarakhand,
UK?
उत्तराखंड।
Correct.
Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand.
उत्तराखंड।
Good, good. Good. I never asked our Saga because she is from North India. She will know. I wanted to know whether our Vaishnav from Kerala knows that. Very good. Good, Vaishnav. Happy. Now, please read the question. States.
states J&K, total students enrolled 50,000, percentage of rejected students 10%, ratio of appeared to non-appeared students 5:4. MP 60,000, percentage of rejected students 30%, ratio of appeared to non-appeared 5:2. UP 48,000, 25%, 3:1. HP 32,000, 25%, 2:1. UK 20,000, 15%, 10:7.
Now, what is this ratio of appeared to non-appeared? Yeah.
So ratio that is excluding that, for example, in Jammu Kashmir, out of 50,000, 10% rejected, 5,000 will get rejected. Then remaining 45,000 will be there. That we have to find the ratio, sir. 5:4.
Oh, that means 5% is appeared is 5%,
Uh,
5 of 45, 5/9 of 45, and non-appeared is 4/9 of 45. Correct.
yes.
Okay. That means it will come to 25,000 and 20,000. Okay, that much I can follow now. Now, please go for the next question. What is it they are asking? Vaishnav?
The question: total number of students who appeared in the exam from UK is how much more or less than the total number of students who non-appeared in the exam from MP? 5,000, 4,000, 8,000, 6,000, and 2,000.
Hmm. Can we work out this? Please try to work out.
Sir, 51E, sir.
1 minute. அதுக்குள்ள போட்டிங்களா? அச்சா அச்சா. 51. The total number of students who appeared in the examination from UK number of students who appeared is 10,000. Correct. Is how much more or less than the total number of students who non-appeared from MP. MP non-appeared 12,000. So that means difference is 2,000. Answer is 2,000.
Yes, sir. E.
Correct. Yeah. See, actually what I have done, I can't show you. I have put it like this: state, total number of students, then that is percentage of students joining, and that is joining. Then next one is what? No. After take percentage of students rejected is this much. Yeah. So how much is the percent? How much students taken in 45,000? Then that is divided again as appeared and non-appeared. 25,000, 20,000, like that. For all the 5 states, I have written and kept it ready. So that is why 51 we could do easily. 52, what is the answer? Vishwanathan?
Sir, yes, sir. Now only seeing the questions. Yes.
Yeah, no hurry. If from another state, Goa, the number of students who appeared in the exam is 50% more than the number of students who enrolled in UK, and total enrolled students are 25% less than that. They are involving too many figures. Please find out.
Can you scroll up so that data?
Yeah. Acha, you want that data? Yeah.
Sir, 6,000, sir.
Can it be copied? I can't copy, na? Yeah. Doesn't matter. Now, one thing I can show you this in another screen. One minute, please wait. What is the question number? This one. Yeah. This is the question. This is the picture. Sorry. Question is this one, and picture is this one. Did you work out the 52
सर गोवा की तो दिया नहीं है सर, गोवा की तो वो डाटा दिया नहीं है.
Yeah, that is why they are telling. If from another state, Goa, the number of students who appeared in the exam is 50% more than the number of students who are enrolled in UK. Number of students
Okay, sir.
enrolled in UK is number of students enrolled in UK. Are Baba, even here I did some mistake. Number of students enrolled, that was further divided into male and female. I took the male figure, that is wrong. Number of students enrolled is 17,000. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
who enrolled in 50% more than who appeared in the exam is 50% more than the number of students enrolled in UK. So 150% of 17,000, that is 25,500 will come. And the total enrolled students are 25% less than the total students enrolled. Total students enrolled in UP is 36,000. 25% less means 27,000. Then find the number of students who did not appear in the then exam. No application got rejected. What is the answer you are getting, Mr. Vishwanathan?
Sir, I am getting 6,000, sir. Sir,
No, that choice is there. Now tell me, number of
yes,
students
sir.
who appeared in exam 50% more than the
50% more than the students enrolled in UK, sir. In UK, sir.
அப்படின்னா
The total number of students enrolled in UK is 20,000, sir. In that 50% more means we will get 30,000, sir.
oh, that acha acha. Very good. I took wrongly another figure that we have arrived. Oh, correct. You are right. 20,000 out of that 30% means 30,000. Correct? You will have 30,000 appearing from Goa. Correct? And then number of enrolled is 25 less than 25 less than enrolled students. Enrolled students in UP, how much? 36.
Sir, 48,000 students will be there, sir. In that 25% less means you'll get 36,000, sir.
Correct.
That
36,000.
is
The
total
difference is
number of
only
students
difference
enrolled.
is 6,000.
Yes,
Difference
sir.
is 6,000. Correct. Good. Very good. Vaishnav, could you understand this question?
No, sir. It's tough for
Sir,
me.
explain please.
I will explain, or otherwise Vishwanathan also will explain. See, if from another state, Goa, the number of students who appeared in the exam is 50% more than the number of students enrolled in UK. Enrolled in UK. So number of students enrolled in UK is 20,000. And 50% more means 30,000 is the number of people appearing in Goa. Then total enrolled or 25% less than the total enrolled students in UP. Total enrolled student, Baba, total enrolled students in UP is 48, not 36. Acha,
Sir,
acha.
40, right? My less than
Percentage of
26%.
rejected is there, na?
Sir, no, sir. They have given us total number 25% less than the total number of students enrolled in UP, sir.
Then why did you not take 85% of 20,000 in UK?
Sir, no, UP, sir, 48,000. In that we have to reduce 25%, sir.
No. For UK, you took 20,000 as it is and not bothered about this 15%. Why?
Sir, they have gave us total students enrolled only, sir. They didn't give us total students appeared in question.
So we have to take 48 only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if we take that 48, then
25% less than that, sir.
25% less than that means 36,000.
Yes, sir. They have gave no application got rejected, sir.
So 36,000 minus 30 is 6,000. Is that answer correct? 52, correct? 52, correct, Baba. Correct. For everything, we have to take only this. No. Total number of students enrolled is 75%, 36,000. Correct. And here it is 30,000. Difference is 6,000. Correct. So no worry. Take 48,000. Out of that, 75% is 36,000. Then 20,000. Out of that, 150% is 30,000. Difference is 6,000. That is correct. Now I understand. Good. Now we will go for the next problem, 53. Vaishnav, please attempt this problem. Find the ratio.
Find the ratio of number of students who appeared from MP for exam to total number of students whose application got rejected from JNK.
Number of students who appeared from MP. So then we have to go into this figure. A number of students who appeared. It's all the figure. That is what is more important. Number. $53. $53. If the ratio of number of students appeared from MP for exam to total number of students whose applications got rejected in JNK, number of students who appeared in MP.
Sir, like how to find that number of students appeared?
Here, MP for 60,000 enrolled. Are they telling about enrolled? Appeared. Number of
Appeared,
students
sir.
appeared for MP 60,000. We have found percentage of students rejected 42, 30% rejected. So it is 42,000. So
Yes.
that is divided into 5:2. That is 27,000. Another one 9,000.
Sir,
27,000
30,000,
is
12,000,
appeared.
sir.
Non-appeared is 9,000.
Sir, 30,000, 12,000 தான் சார் வரும்.
எதுக்கு?
5:2 ஆல 42,000 பண்றப்போ.
Acha, sorry. I am telling about UP wrongly. Madhya Pradesh 42,000. The figure is 30,000 appeared, non-appeared 12,000. Vaishnav here, MP,
Sir.
30% people rejected. So that means those who joined are 42,000. 60,000, 70% of 60,000 is 42,000. And
Yes, sir.
among that appeared to non-appeared is 30,000 is to 12,000. The ratio 5:2.
Yes, sir.
So 30,000, another one 12,000. What is it they are asking? Number of students who appeared from MP 30,000 to number of students whose application got rejected from JNK. JNK, number of applications rejected is 20,000. It is 20,000.
Sir, 5,000. 5,000, sir.
They are asking only ratio.
Yes, sir.
They are asking ratio of number of students appeared in MP examination 30,000. Total number of students who got rejected in Jammu Kashmir 20,000. Then it must be 3:2 now.
Sir, 6:1 எனக்கு வருது. Sir, 5. I am getting that total number of students whose application got rejected in JK is 5,000. Sir. From
How
the data I
5,000?
got.
Acha.
Yes, sir. Sir, number of rejected students, right? So 5,000.
50,000, 10%, sir. That from the table I.
No, what is it? That one? Jammu Kashmir, how that figure? 5:4.
Sir, Jammu Kashmir, 50,000 students, 10%
Acha,
got
5% only rejected. 50,000, 10% rejected means 5,000 only. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means that what is the answer you are getting?
30,000 is to 5,000, sir.
That is 6:1. Correct. 6:1. You are right. Let me check it up. What is the answer? 53. It is C. 6:1. Good. No. Here, while reading, I got confused with that 45,000 divided as 25 and 20. I took that 20. Whereas you have to take only 50,000. That 10% means rejected 5,000. That is how they confuse us in the examination. So the answer 6:1 is correct, Mr. Vishwanathan.
Yes, sir.
Good. Vaishnav, could you follow now?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good. Now, can you try the next problem also, Vaishnav? 54.
Yes, sir. Find the number of students who appeared from MP. Appeared from MP are what percent more or less than the total number of students who got rejected from HP?
Number of students rejected in MP, HP is 8,000. Na? Number of students who appeared from MP, number of students who appeared from MP is.
Sir, can you show the figure again, this table again?
Yeah. What are the two figures required? One is Madhya Pradesh, the other is Himachal Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh.
30,000 divided by 8,000.
No. Sorry, I am giving some other this thing.
Can you?
I will show the real figure. I am showing some answer figure that is wrong. Yeah, this is the figure. Correct. Exact sentence. What is that sentence? Find the number of students who appeared from village MP. Number of students appeared from MP is 60,000. MP, not 60,000. MP 30,000. Number of students who appeared is only 30,000. 60,000, 30,000 eliminated. Out of that, 5:2. So 30,000 are the people who are appearing from MP 30,000. Correct. Am I right? Let me check it up. Is more or less than the number of students who got rejected from MP. Number of students who got rejected from MP. MP rejected is 18,000. Number of people from MP applied 60,000, rejected 30%, that is 18,000 got rejected. 18,000 got rejected. Question is, it is how much percentage more? 30 by 18 into 100. So here 600 by 3 is equal to 200. I am getting 200%, but there is no 200% here. What is the answer you are getting, Vishwanathan?
Sir, I am getting 375, sir.
That means 275, na? No, what is the figure you are getting? 30,000, correct? One figure. First figure.
30,000 by 8,000 I am getting, sir.
Rejected only 8,000. How? Rejected.
Number of students got rejected.
Correct. You are 100% correct. Sorry. 32,000 in that
25%.
that is 8,000 only. Correct. So that means 30 by 8 into 100. So here it is 4 means 2. Here it is 25. Then 15. 25 into 15, it comes 375. That means the increase is 275%. Correct. Answer is E.
Sir, E 275, sir.
Correct. That is correct.
375, sir.
Find the number of students who appeared from so and so less than the number of students got rejected. Number of students who appeared more or less. How much more? 275% more. Total 375, but
Yes,
more
sir.
means less 100. It will be 275. Let us see.
Okay, sir. We have to reduce that 100.
Correct. How much confusions are they giving? See here. 30,000 minus 8,000 divided by 8,000 into 100. So you should take only 22,000 by 800. Are you seeing here now?
Yes, sir. I'm seeing, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, next question is 55. Last question. Saha, can you please read this question? Find the sum of the
Yes, sir. Find the sum of total students who appeared in the exam from MP, UP, and HP. A.
MP,
40,000. B. 48,400. C. 62,000. D. 51,200. E. 73,000.
how many appeared from Madhya Pradesh? You have the figure with you? Excuse me? You have the figure of people appearing in MP.
Sir, can you show that page?
उसमें तो कुछ नहीं है. उसमें आपको उसमें से again you have to work out. If you have made a table, आपको easy हो जाएगा. अब फिगर दिखाता हूँ, देखिए, दिस इज व्हाट इट इज.
Yes, sir.
MP, how much have appeared? Tell me.
So 6,000, sir.
30,000, Baba.
Okay, sir.
Because in MP, total number of students enrolled 60,000. Percentage of rejected students 30,000. That means though to get admitted 42,000. The ratio of appeared to non-appeared is 5:2. That is 30,000 is to 12,000.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, Uttar Pradesh 27,000. Similarly, HP 16,000. All put together, you will get 73,000.
Yes, sir.
54, you will 55, you will get 73,000. So this is the table that will come. Total students enrolled, total students rejected, total appeared students. That see 60 plus 18 minus is 42. Out of that, that is divided into appeared 30, non-appeared 12. This is how we have to find out. Here required sum is 30,000 plus 27,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 73,000. Could you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
I will.
So today I am happy I have covered data interpretation, which I was hesitating to touch for all these days. Because it requires lot of concentration. But for you people appearing for PO, this is a must. It is like oxygen. आप लोग पूरा तैयार होना है उसके लिए. Please prepare and yeah. So only one more problem is there. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. And along with the reasoning. Reasoning about 30, 40 questions are there. We can do it tomorrow. So tomorrow, the Thursday, here, tomorrow Wednesday, na? Wednesday or Thursday? Today is 11. Today is Wednesday. Na?
Tomorrow Thursday. Tomorrow
Thursday,
Thursday.
yeah. Today is Wednesday, yeah. So tomorrow Thursday for you. So आपको morning, 1 minute. Date is 12, na? Have I given some appointment to somebody? Yeah, 6:30 p.m. I have given appointment for somebody in the morning. I'll be with you from 7 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock. So what shall we do? What do you want me to do in that 1 hour? 7 o'clock in the morning. Shall we do your only PO people are coming. Vishwanathan is not coming. So shall we do some descriptive paper tomorrow? Tomorrow
Yes, sir.
morning.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, for you.
Yes, sir.
For you, tomorrow morning, we will do some descriptive paper. I will show you what are the materials I have given you. I will initiate your reading them and also suggest you how you can answer the questions. And I may give dictation also for some 10 words to know about, in the written test, dictation is important, punctuation is also important. These things we have to remember. And another mistake many of the candidates do is that while writing the descriptive paper, they are not mentioning which topic are they taking for answering. Question number 1 consists of essay writing. Are you doing A or B or C? Not only that, before starting to write the topic, please give the topic of the essay. Please give the topic of the short notes. Apart from giving the number A or B or C, only three choices they will give. So this is one important point we will discuss tomorrow. I will also tell you what are the other aspects we can look into while writing essay writing or short notes so that we can get good marks. How many, sorry, Vaishnav, you are comfortable in typing speed?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Saha, are you good in typing speed?
Yes,
Saha,
sir. Yes, sir.
आपको will you be looking at the keyboard and type? Without looking into the keyboard, will you type? How will you type?
Looking at the keyboard, sir.
Kyun, Baba? I suggest if at all some time comes, you better join some typewriting institute and learn the basics for 6 months. आपको practice हो जाएगा. ठीक है,
Okay,
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं. It's not, there is no time for you, I know. आजकल इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी नहीं रहता है. कलकत्ता में कुछ टाइपराइटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट चलता है?
No, sir. मुझे पता नहीं है.
आई डोंट थिंक,
होगा,
नहीं हुआ.
but I don't know. हर
आपका
स्टेट में
घर
तो
का
होता
पास,
है कुछ ऐसा.
आपका घर का पास में कुछ होगा तो देख लीजिए. देखने
नहीं,
से तो उधर
कंप्यूटर के कोचिंग सारा है, जैसे शियालदा में है. बट टाइपिंग का कुछ ऐसा एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो मैंने नहीं देखा है अभी तक.
ओके. कंप्यूटर टाइपिंग के लिए किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में आपको कोचिंग देगा तो उसको भी आप अटेंड कर
हाँ हाँ,
सकते
वो दे देगा सर.
हैं. वो कर दीजिए. बेस्ट विशेस.
अच्छा
थैंक यू सो
सर.
मच.
सर, आई हैव one question, sir. Today I did not join the class. So can you please ask the September current affairs yesterday for only to me, because I missed that class.
No,
And
I will send you that.
apart from,
I will send the video. Don't worry.
okay, and what will be the tomorrow's target
One
for current affairs?
tomorrow will be August.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow we
Sir,
will do
Vishwanathan, please send me
not
like
Vishwanathan,
yesterday.
not Vishwanathan. Only uh,
Vaishnav.
that
Sorry.
only Vaishnav attended that class. He
Yes, sir.
answered
Sorry.
nearly almost all the questions correctly, excepting 4 and 5. In fact,
Oh,
one more
sir.
candidate also joined with us. Some, what is his name, Vaishnav? Naya
Akshit
Akshit.
Shetty.
Some other boy, Akshit Shetty from Karnataka joined, but now he has not come. So the thing is, this boy was able to answer all the questions except 5 questions. I would have asked him nearly 30 questions. He answered nearly 25 questions properly. But again, this is a question of luck and also
Yes, sir.
memory. Now you
Memory.
are able to answer now because I am fixing the syllabus and I am asking within one day. But
Yes, sir.
there the syllabus is not fixed and you face it after so many days. तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. इसलिए तो we are telling you go through the list of union minister once in a week. List of state ministers once in a week. List of static GK once in a week. Then revise the GK
Okay, sir.
for the exam once in 4 days, 5 days. At least the important questions.
Okay, sir.
बट ये सब बोलना बहुत आसान है.
और
प्रैक्टिस
करना
करना
बहुत
बहुत
ही डिफिकल्ट है,
बहुत
सर.
मुश्किल डिफिकल्ट है. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट वेरी वेल because when I find I am not able to cope up with what is available, in fact syllabus is quite high. And that is what it is. Doesn't matter, we have to do this. But amidst this only, lot of people are coming out successful because it is only comparative. सबको यही problem होता है. See, everybody is appearing for multi exams, and everybody has got usual mental problems like say tension, frustration. ये सब तो चलता है. सब मिला के तो सक्सेस हो जाएगा. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Vishwanathan,
Thank you.
I think Vishwanathan, I think with tomorrow I'll be concluding all the classes with tomorrow. Balance,
Okay, sir.
I leave the time for all of you to study by yourself. That will be the last. Tomorrow, August, I will complete. August, September, October, November, over. Thereafter, I have introduced you to all the aspects of computer, etc. Please prepare yourself. Appear for the exam. I wish you should come for the interview.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So
thank you, sir.
I'll stop
Thank you,
with
sir.
this. I don't want to prolong the classes further. The one reason I did was selfishness. I wanted to get new students, so that's why I was conducting it. But that has got not much effect. Today, one fellow has joined. That's okay. But there is, I think you will be doing a better job if you start preparing for all these 3 hours by yourself. So that is my conclusion. Tomorrow is the last day for the class. If at all I want to post some videos, I will prepare it myself and post it online. You can watch them. Okay. Best
Yes, sir.
wishes. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow
Thank you.
morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, we'll meet. Then again, evening, 5:45, 8:30. We will meet all the 3
Okay,
times.
sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.